Good afternoon, everybody. How we doing?
Awesome. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you. Listen, we should finish the structural section today. That's our goal. All right, and perhaps start on module 5, the residential floor plan.
Sounds good.
All righty. Oh, just a second. Pardon me. Okay. Can everybody see my screen?
Yep.
Good. You see, I've added the call outs here, and for this section, which relates back to the commercial framing plan, this call out here for section A, which cross references the foundation plan, and we're going to be creating this new call out here for this enlarged parapet detail. Okay. For those of you who are having trouble with the hatching, okay, because you don't have the particular ACAD PAT file, I was having the same issue. Tried to load the file, so here's my resolution to that. I opened the drawing in basic AutoCAD, right, and then I added all of the hatching in that environment, basic AutoCAD. Okay, that's what I did. So you see, I've added all the hatching here. Okay, all right. So let me share with you, if you're having that problem, let me share the hatching parameters. All right. So just let me stop sharing here. Okay, and okay. So if you have to go to basic AutoCAD to add the hatching, I've given you all of the hatching types and scales here. All right, but this is for everybody. This right here. All right, for this drawing, for the structural section drawing, we have a S pattern layer, right, which is for our hatching. I want you to change the color of the S pat layer for this drawing only to color 8. That's for everybody. Color 8. Now, those of you who are going to basic AutoCAD to add the hatching, the concrete slab and footings, the hatch pattern is going to be arc concrete, and the scale is going to be 1.5. The 4-inch drainage fill, you're going to use the gravel hatch pattern with a scale of 3. For the earth, you're going to use the earth pattern with a scale of 12 and a degree angle of 45 degrees. For the brick, you're going to use ANSI 31, and the scale is going to be 5. Okay, and then for the insulation, the rigid insulation, you're going to use the net pattern with a scale of 5 as well. So that should help you with the hatch scales. All right. So I'm going to go back to AutoCAD. Okay. I think at this point, before I give any more instruction, okay.
I'm sorry, sir. I missed all that because my computer was fading in and out. All those, that was all on the instructions, right? The scale for all those.
Right.
It's for the concrete, the 1.5 and everything.
Yeah,
That's all.
I can repeat that. Okay.
Well, I mean, I see it written in the instructions. I'm just making sure it's the same thing that's written down in the instructions, right?
Yes, absolutely. Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, I'm good. So you can go on.
Okay, cool. All
I had to
right.
switch computers because my internet went out on the other one.
I got you. I got you.
Sorry about
All right. So, what I would like for you to do, okay, I know some of you are in various locations, right? Um, but right now, I would like for you to share with me the progress that you've made with the structural section, okay? Those of you who started it last week, I want you to share where you are so I can, before I give any additional instructions, all right? So who's ever ready to share with me, please do so at this time. I'm going to stop sharing.
I can go.
Okay.
The only problem. Can you see mine?
It's working. It's starting to share. Not quite. I got it now. Okay.
All right. I'm having a problem when I went to go dimension this.
Mm-hmm.
This dimension here is supposed to be 3 feet from here to here,
Yes.
and I'm coming up with I think 3 feet and 7/8 of an inch. I think
Okay.
because of the space between here and here that we were
Well,
dealing with.
okay. The that dimension should be from the center line of the column to the edge of the steel. It should not include the space.
It should be between.
It should, okay, it should start from, hold on. Let me share my screen with you.
Maybe because maybe I'm coming from the end of the column or something.
Right? You should,
That's what it looks like on the.
okay. Well, let me share. Let me see what happens. Okay.
All right.
Stop sharing for a second.
Oh, I'm sorry. Or maybe if I came from the end of the C channel.
Yeah,
Maybe
so,
that was.
and that's what I'm saying. You can see my screen right now.
Yeah, the end of the C channel would be 3 feet. So if I did that.
And that's the way it's dimensioned on the framing plan.
Okay, yeah, okay. I'm just looking at how it looks different. All right, I got you.
Okay, all right, all right.
And
So
then the call outs.
yes.
Are we supposed to tell like the one's kind of like oval shaped at the end and the other one's a little bit more rounded?
Okay, could you? It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna worry about that. No.
Okay, because I was playing with them. I didn't know if there was
No,
difference
no,
between
that's
when
not an
you
issue.
bring
No,
those in.
no.
All right,
As long as we have the boundary identified, I don't care about the shape of the boundary.
all right. Beyond that, I think I'm done.
But I would like for them all look the same though, if you can make them all look the same. But that's not a big issue. Could you share the screen with me again, please?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, you see how I made this one like kind of
That's
rounded.
okay.
I had it, and I made this one a little bit more. I had to
That's
play with it a little bit, but
that definitely is not a big issue. Okay.
okay. And then beyond that, I guess I'm just gonna make sure that all my hatching is the right scale.
Correct.
And
You saw my earlier comment where I actually want to change the color of the S-pat layer to color 8.
that's the gray, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I already did that. So
cool. All right, so let me zero in on there, zoom into your parapet detail. Let me look at that.
oh, down here.
No, the actual detail. Detail 1. Okay, good. I I like how you lined up all of the annotation left justified here. I like that. That's cool.
And
Mhm.
then do you want me to change all this to the section line color or the section line layer?
I would like for it to be, because I don't know what the line weight of that color is. So
Right, all the stuff that it came in on?
right. So if you
All right.
could change that to the the S section line with yellow color.
Yeah,
Yeah, I would think I would like that. Yes.
all right, so I'll change all that and then I'll work on and then I'll make sure that my, what's it called? My hatching's
Okay.
correct.
Um, okay. I guess there are mortar joints between your bricks. I can't really see them, but I'm sure they are. Okay.
And here,
Yeah. Yes. That they are. Good. All right. So, looking good. Looking good. Could you zoom back out? All righty. I believe you have everything that you need there. Okay. Cool. Now, I want to give you some instruction. Here's what I want you to do. Okay. It looks like, oh, here's one thing we have to add here. You see how you have dimensioned the height of the brick?
yeah,
Okay. And I know we changed the height. Okay. Uh, let me share my, let me show.
oh, I gotta make it look like that right there. Okay.
Well, you have to tell the mason how many courses you're using.
All right.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I'll add it like we did on the last drawing where you put in that secret code and it goes underneath.
Exactly.
All that.
Exactly. And the the this dimension should be from the top of the deck, right? From the top of the deck to the top of the stud. Okay, can you stop sharing for a second? I'll show you what I mean. Okay, we want to dimension. You can see my screen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do something here. Let's see what it's going to be. Let's go to dimension, S dimension, make that active. And let's go to a linear dimension here. Let's see what happens. I want to dimension from the, turn my snaps on. I want to dimension from the top of the metal deck here to the top of this steel studs right here. Let's see what that dimension is. It's still a crazy dimension, but that's the dimension that I want. Okay, you see from the top of the metal deck here to the top of this metal stud right here. You got me?